Hive number 66, located in Southern Maryland, in the 9th District of Maryland, for Maryland Prince Hall Masonry. When we get together, there is absolutely nothing impossible. We can accomplish whatever we set our hearts to because of our commitment to each other and to the craft.
Bee Hive! Bee Hive! Bee Hive! 6'6", baby, 6'6". Bee Hive! Bee Hive!
To all the distinguished brothers of Bee Hive, those that were present, we want to say thank you for your energy, your efforts, and your enthusiasm. The way that Bee Hive showed up is proof positive we are one. For those who did not make it, we represented you well.